Yash Bhai has been a favorite human for everyone at the Blue Riders group with his engagement and the relation which he has maintained with each and every one of us. The fun and the joy to this cycling which he brings is exceptional. Prashant Zante. Prashant is ever ready for volunteering, ever ready for any distances, breaking the barriers and stepping into endurance. Guys, can we have all of you over here at the stage for a group photograph after the felicitation of Pino has been done. My friend Pino over here is a marathoner, is a cyclist and is a swimmer on his journey to becoming a triathlete. I have been riding with Pino and it has been less than 6 months, but however in the past as well I have ridden with him. Pino is a strong athlete and his Instagram profile is by the name of Pina Mota Athlete, and he truly is one. Ajinkya Chaskar has been nominated in multiple categories, starting off with his consistency in the sport of triathlon, with his valuable contribution when it comes to community, leading the group by the name of The Pedal Tribe in Chembur, and he has been a very regular rider, volunteer and ever ready to help the cycling community whenever and whenever possible. Call upon stage Avinash Kumar. Avinash sir promotes cycling, promotes the sport of running, promotes the sport of swimming with his YouTube channel Explore with Avinash. He has been very key instrumental person when it comes to spreading awareness about the events which takes place. At the same time, he is an athlete who wins podiums at different events, be it duathlons, be it triathlons. He is an avid cyclist and a very competitive cyclist at the same time. I really thank you for being here.
So I am on a mission to make it comfortable, which is often seems difficult to people. I participate and record the events so that जब आप करते हो या बहुत सारे लोग जो नए हैं, तो आप लोग तो सब एलीट हो, आप लोग सब मोटिवेटेड हो, लेकिन बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो अभी भी ये स्पोर्ट्स में आए नहीं है, रनिंग हो, साइकिलिंग हो, स्विमिंग हो. सो थ्रू माय डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज आई गिव देम अ कंफर्टनेस कि आप भी ये कर सकते हो, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट अ विल पावर. सो दैट्स माय मैसेज टू ऑल. आप लोग भी जितने लोगों को जानते हो आसपास में, सबको ये कंफर्ट देना कि आप स्टार्ट करो, हो जाएगा. एक बार जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गई तो अपने आप ग्रुप प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. हमने भी जब स्टार्ट किया था तो अलोन किया था. आज 9 साल से या 10 साल से ये सिलसिला इसलिए चल रहा है क्योंकि आप लोग जैसे कितने लोग मिलते गए और सबने एक नया माइलस्टोन या चीजें बताई जो हमें भी नहीं पता था. तो जब हम पास ऑन करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली एज समबडी सेज कि साइकिलिंग विंस, रनिंग विंस, तो इसी तरह स्पोर्ट्स से विन होगा. थैंक यू. थैंक्स डेकेथलॉन फॉर गिविंग मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड स्प्रेडिंग दिस स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर इन इंडिया. थैंक यू.
And next, call upon stage Mr. Mahesh Kini sir. The award category under which Mahesh Kini sir is the Human Engine Award. Mahesh Kini sir, ultra cyclist, Ironman, he has done Ironman events as well. A very strong yet very humble cyclist, having successfully achieved great things in the endurance sports side of things. I would like Mahesh Kini sir to talk a few.
Thank you everyone. In fact, such platforms are very important for budding cyclists, all of us. I also started, in fact, from my first cycle from Decathlon, and Decathlon Thane, there was a small group where we used to organize rides. So it's very happy to see like how Ghodbunder cyclist Gopal Sale is doing 25 kilometers, 30 kilometers, 50 kilometers, GRMs, and then Anil Uchil, how he's continuing the legacy of like 200, 300, 400. This is where the budding ultra cyclists come from. And it is very important for us to nurture this platform and guide the upcoming cyclists. Thank you.
Next, I call upon stage Aruna Madam. Aruna Madam is a big inspiration for each and every cyclist in Thanekar, and I am proud to have records that rides on Strava, but the wealth of experience, the support towards budding cyclists and the encouragement which Aruna ma'am provides is unmatched. I present this award to Aruna ma'am. You will find Aruna ma'am doing loops of your hill, which is a steep 1 kilometer hill. Aruna ma'am has done quarter Everesting as well. The entire team at Airoli Cycling Enthusiasts. We have the Airoli Cycling Enthusiast Club with us. Each and every one of the participants that you see over here, they are nominated across multiple categories. Be it father and son duo, husband and wife duo, they have been doing exceptional things in the sport of cycling, in the sport of triathlon, volunteering for events, virtual events such as To The 100 and many more. At the same time, every year, cycling expedition trips are also organized by the group, including Mumbai to Goa trip they have done and few more which are in the pipeline.
So I'd like to thank Decathlon from our side, and we thank Decathlon for providing us cycles, which is the main part. Most of us here have cycles which are from Decathlon. Thank you.
Cycling, when it comes to managing three sports, the sports of triathlon, it requires consistency and discipline. As Sridhar sir has done 70.3 distance, and I would like sir to talk a few about.
Thank you, Guru. Thanks, Decathlon and Guru for organizing this evening. Age is just a number. I am 59 years old. I started cycling at 55. Life takes a turn. As a child, I used to cycle to college and school in college. And I started at 55, about 4 years ago, this group. And this group has been tremendous encouragement. I learned long distance cycling. And I hope to this group all whatever successes we do together. Only thing I want to add is whether you are 20 or 80, keep doing a sport for the happiness within, not for records. And also, second message I would like to share is to keep the fitness, do some cross training, like I do cycling, swimming, and running, apart from my weight training. Thank you.
Our mask man KK. So KK has been a key person when it comes to virtual rides to the 100. When it comes to volunteering, even for marathons, he has been volunteering as a pilot on cycle. KK, in terms of cycling, you have genuinely amazed all of us with your contribution and volunteering in every aspect where it was possible. And to the one and only
Real master.
Rajesh sir, we truly have been inspired with the proper calculations that you have done to cover more than 1 lakh kilometers, and it is in a span of just 4 years. Sir is a professor, math is his subject, and yes, definitely sir knows his numbers. Rajesh sir, I would really like if you would just please talk a few about your journey. And the most important thing is Rajesh sir has just done one single 200 kilometer brevet to in the overall total of 1 lakh kilometers.
Hello everyone. This very venue reminds me of my first long ride, which was supposed to be from Borivali to Ghatkopar RCT, 25 kilometers, but that was very long for me. And the return journey was planned to be the bike would be put on the truck and you'll be riding back on a bus. However, all my colleagues decided to ride back through the Ghodbunder road. And my first long ride was around 65 kilometers, but that was very big. This ride was completed just because of pure motivation by my colleagues. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been over here. So thank you. And there are many critics, but however, the most important thing is motivate others and get motivated. Thanks a lot, everyone.